Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the calculating the typing speed. In rapid typing till now we have learned about how to type, how we should keep our hand, what is our body posture. Today how we can calculate our typing speed. The typing speed can be measured with different accuracies such as how many words are typed for certain time period, how many characters are typed for certain time period, and how many keystrokes are made for a certain time period. And also there are simple speed, that will be your gross speed, and net speed, that is takes into the account the errors. The following table shown that is detailed descriptions of the typing speeds type. WPM, that is word per minute, the number of words typed in a 1 minute period of time. How we calculate that? WPM equals to the words without error plus words with errors divided by the time spent in a minute. How many in 1 minute how many time you have spent. Like that we are calculating WPM, words per minute. Now net WPM, it's the word per minute without words with the error. Means there is no words which we have did error. Without that we are calculating the net WPM. How we are calculating? The formula is for that net WPM equals to WPM, where we have calculated in this words per minute, minus words with error. How many words are there with error? Divide by time spent in that minutes. How much time we have spent in that minute, divide by that. Like that we are calculating WPM. Same CPM is character per minute, net character per minute. Same for KPM, keystrokes in a 1 minute. How many keystrokes you are doing without errors plus with errors, and then time spent in a minute. And net keystroke per minute, KPM. You should remember the shortcuts of all this. What is WPM, what is CPM, what is KPM. Example I am giving you here. A student typed 240 characters per 2 minutes with errors in 20 characters. So how we will find the simple speed? 240 characters divided by 2 minutes equal to 120 CPM, character per minute. And how we will find the net speed? Is character per minute CPM 120 minus errors, how many errors have been done, and divide by 2, that errors should get divided by 2, equals to 100 net CPM. Now, typing accuracy is defined as a percentage of correct entries out of the total entries type. There is formula is there for that. Type accuracy in words present, accuracy in words percent. Formula is for that accuracy equal to 100% minus words with errors into 100% divided by total number of words for finding the accuracy, typing accuracy. Same for character persons and keystroke persons. Sometimes it's convenient to evaluate the typing accuracy in the errors. You can see that table on page number 40. They have given typing rhythm. In that you can find the errors in word person, error in characters persons, and error in keystroke person, and they have given the formula. In touch typing techniques, the typing rhythm is very important. Typing rhythm means the keystrokes should come at equal intervals to control the constant typing speed. The showdown indicator is used. The following table shown as the different formula for the showdown percentage showdown calculation. You will see the showdown calculation formula in your page number 41. Go through with the reader. All the formulas and descriptions are there very detailedly. You can find out, you can try to calculate your typing speeds your own self. Now overall rating calculation. Overall rating percentage is, the formula is equal to net speed divided by course goal ratio to speed into 100%, where net speed is net WPM, net CPM or net KPM. The value depends on the current options, and course goal is speed is customized in the options for each course. The last topic of this chapter is good typing speed. What is the exact good typing? An average professional typist types usually in speed of 50 to 80 WPM. WPM here, words per minute. While some positions can require 80 to 95, and some advanced typists work at the speed above 120 per minute, word per minute, 120. The advanced typist. The fastest typing speed on the on an alphanumeric keypad, 16 words in 1 minute, was achieved by Stila Pajunas in 1946. He was the first when they achieved from fastest typing speed to 16 words per minute. As of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumerical English language typist in the world, according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Using the Dvorak simplified keyboard, she maintained 150 WPM for 50 minutes and 170 WPM for shorter period. Her top speed was 212 WPM. Here we have completed the data typing and keyboarding skill. In that we learn about typing, how we can which software we can use. There are lots of free softwares for improving typing. Rapid typing, the easiest way, which we have covered, how we can create our own lesson, how we can create our course, how we can practice from one chapter to another chapter, like lesson wise, and how we can make yourself fast typist by increasing your WPM, words per minute. Now homework. In your textbooks, check your progress on page number 42, 43 and 44. All questions, answers, MCQs, fill in the blanks and short answer questions, long answer questions you should do in your notebook. If you have any doubt for finding answers and all, you can ask me. That you can submit me by 2nd September. 2 weeks timing I am giving for all the question answers. More enough time is there, like you can solve, if you solve every day 5 questions also, it will finish by that time, before that time. So by 2nd September submit your question answers. On that page number 42 page only, there is a practical exercise is there. Do that practical exercise for your practical assignments and submit me on my email ID. All your practical works also you should take the screenshot and send it to me on my email ID. Next week I'm going to start with the digital documentation, new chapter, third unit. So till that time, take care and complete all your homework. Thank you.